In this video, I'll show you how you can fix VRChat is stuck on the loading screen. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you delete all your temp files. So come down here and search for run, type in temp, press enter, and then delete everything in here. You might have a lot more than me because I recently deleted it. If this one pops up, you just want to click on this one and press skip, and this should be fine. Then you want to go down here again and this type percentage, temp percentage, and do the exact same thing in here. Press this one, skip, and just do this again, skip, and there we go. Now once you've done that, what I suggest you do is you go onto Steam and then you find VRChat. Now on this PC I don't have it because I'm not on my laptop right now, but let's just say this one is the game. Then what you want to do is right click on it, properties, find launch options and type in this code right here. I'll leave it in the description. You want to type this one in, and then what you want to do is you want to head over to the verify game file section. So to go there, go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of game files. Now once you have done this, you should try and launch the game and see if it works with the launch code as well as verified. Then check and see if it works. If for some reason it still doesn't work, I suggest you either uninstall the game and reinstall it, or you can try and launch it in the compatibility mode. So find the game wherever you have it, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Then apply OK and try and launch the game. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.